Hello Quora users! Today I'll guide you through the process of enabling adult content on your Quora feed, allowing you to view content that may contain sensitive or mature topics. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Quora account. Then, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture, or at the top right corner of the page from the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Content. Here, you'll find options to customize your content preferences and filters. Find the option to enable adult content or adjust content sensitivity settings. This option may be labeled differently depending on your Quora interface and the language, but it should be located within the content settings. Quora will ask you to confirm that you want to enable adult content on your feed. Review the information provided and confirm that you'd like to proceed with the action. Once confirmed, Quora will update your content settings to include adult content in your feed. You may need to refresh your page for the changes to take effect. And that's it. You've successfully enabled adult content on your Quora feed. You'll now be able to view content that may contain sensitive or mature topics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.